In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find hotkeys on TradingView. If you've ever wished you could move around your charts faster, switch tools without hunting through menus, or simply learn what shortcuts are available, this quick walkthrough will give you exactly what you need. We'll keep it simple, clear, and focused, so you can start using it right away. Here's the entire trick. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, then the / key. The / is the O-Forage character, often sharing a key with the question mark near the right side of your keyboard. The moment you press Ctrl and / together, TradingView opens the Hotkeys panel. This panel is your built-in reference guide to every shortcut available, right inside the platform. Once the panel is open, you'll see a clean layout with a search bar at the top and a list of actions below. Each action shows you the exact key combination assigned to it. You don't have to guess or memorize everything at once. Just think of this as a living cheat sheet. If the panel doesn't appear right away, make sure the TradingView tab or window is active, and try clicking once on the chart before pressing the keys again. At the top, use the search box to quickly find what you're after. Type an action name, like zoom, log scale, replay, or crosshair, and the list will filter in real time. This is perfect when you remember the feature, but not the shortcut, or when you're exploring what's possible for a specific task. The panel also organizes actions into helpful categories, so you can scan through chart controls, drawing tools, and other functions at your own pace. Think of this panel as a speed booster for your workflow. If you're analyzing multiple symbols, setting alerts, or drawing support and resistance, knowing where to look for the right hotkeys saves time and clicks. You're not changing any settings here. You're simply discovering what's already available and how to trigger it instantly from your keyboard. And there you go. That's all. A single shortcut, Ctrl+//, opens the hotkeys panel, and from there, you can search for actions and see the shortcuts mapped to them. Keep this one in your muscle memory, and you'll always have a fast way to learn or refresh the hotkeys you need. Thanks for watching, and happy charting.